Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Raymond James Financial and more specifically how you can order checks for your Raymond James bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account. Once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else, such as a bank statement that has your Raymond James bank account number and routing number on it. The first thing you're going to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Raymond James website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, clientaccess.rjf.com. You can also check the description for the link to Raymond James Financial Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be by logging in to your Raymond James Financial bank account online. This link here, clientaccess.rjf.com, automatically takes you to the screen where you can log in. So you'll enter your username and your password and then click log in. If you don't have a username and password, right here at the bottom of the screen, there's a button that says Enroll in Client Access. You can simply click on that button and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, go to Banking Options and then order checks online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Raymond James Financial. You can usually find this phone number by looking on the back of your Raymond James debit card. That's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Raymond James website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comment section. I do also want to let you know that there's sometimes an additional fee to use this service, order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them over the phone. The third way that you can order checks is going to be through third-party vendor. To do this, you'll go to google.com and then do a search for order replacement checks for Raymond James Financial. I've already got a tab with this open, and I've typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Raymond James Financial, and what this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order your checks. So you've got Checks in the Mail, Checks Unlimited, Bradford Exchange Checks. Those are just a few of the many websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Raymond James bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Raymond James website or through the customer service number, those numbers will not be automatically loaded and you'll have to provide them yourself. And you'll want to make sure that you provide them accurately. That way you don't have to worry about bounced checks or things like that due to an incorrect number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on Raymond James Financial.